Hi, I am Annie, your instructor for this course. Welcome. Today we explore the world of software testing. We'll learn about manual tests performed by testers and automated tests run by machines using Selenium and Python. Before Selenium, we must master testing methodologies, bug management, and documentation. Credibility is key for a QA professional. A good tester needs analytical thinking, meticulous attention to detail, and the ability to learn quickly in a tech field. Creativity for thinking outside the box, technical understanding of code, and excellent communication with developers are vital. You must work under pressure, understand the development lifecycle, and maintain thorough documentation with patience. In tech organizations, we divide roles into technical, like developers and testers, and non-technical, like managers and sales. Developers make the systems, while testers verify them against customer requirements. This course focuses on the examiner role. Our job is to produce the highest quality software with minimal bugs, accompanying the product through its development lifecycle. We'll learn about metrics, document types like STP and STD, bug lifecycles, and various management tools. Testing ensures products meet customer parameters, preventing errors and improving the overall customer experience. It reduces costs by eliminating double work and protects a company's reputation and legal standing. Good relationships with developers are crucial. We must document malfunctions clearly while maintaining professional cooperation. Manual testing involves trained actions, while automation uses scripts and tools like Selenium with minimal human intervention. Testing has 4 stages: unit tests at the module level and integration tests checking component interaction. Then, system tests examine all components, and acceptance tests ensure requirements are met for the user. We use white box for logic, black box for expected output, and gray box for a combined approach. The phases include planning to identify risks and writing test scripts for detailed execution scenarios. Finally, we execute the tests, collect performance data, and document results for discussions with developers. Challenges include incomplete coverage, time constraints, frequent code changes, and external system dependencies. Testing methodology is the approach used to ensure quality. Functional tests verify activity, while non-functional check performance. We perform usability, alpha, beta, sanity, and smoke tests to identify failures and ensure basic product stability. Performance and load tests use tools like JMeter to check response speeds and capacity under extreme conditions. Regression tests ensure new features didn't break existing ones, while retesting confirms specific bugs are fixed. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll dive into QA concepts. Don't forget to join our community and subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates. See you then.